Ever wish an extra $50 would magically appear in your bank account? Money mouth face, what if I told you that with Westpac, it's not magic, but a real possibility for new customers? You heard that right. If you're new to Westpac, you could be eligible for a sweet $50 bonus. Many of us are always looking for ways to make our money go a little further, whether it's saving up for something special, covering an unexpected expense, or just enjoying a little treat. And while $50 might not sound like a life-changing sum, it's a fantastic little boost that can make a difference. Think about it, that's a few coffees, a decent lunch, or a contribution towards something bigger. So, how do you get your hands on this easy $50 from Westpac? It all revolves around their referral program. Westpac, like many banks, understands the power of word of mouth. They're willing to reward both new and existing customers for bringing in new business. This means if you know someone who already banks with Westpac, or if you're looking to switch banks yourself, there's a simple path to that bonus. Here's the lowdown on how it typically works to snag that $50 bonus as a new customer. First, you'll need to be referred by an existing Westpac customer. This is key. They'll usually have a unique referral code or a specific link they can share with you. When you use their referral to open an eligible new Westpac transaction account, typically an everyday banking account like the Westpac Choice account, and meet certain conditions, both you and the referrer can get a bonus. Now, what are those conditions? They're usually pretty straightforward and designed to ensure you're genuinely going to use the account. Common requirements include depositing a minimum amount. This might be something like $500 or $1,000 within a certain time frame, e.g., within 30 days of opening the account. This shows Westpac you're actively using the account. Making a certain number of eligible transactions. This could be 5 or more debit card purchases within a specific period. Again, it's about demonstrating active use. Keeping the account open for a minimum period. You might need to maintain the account for a few months to be eligible for the bonus. It's super important to read the specific terms and conditions of the referral offer at the time you're signing up. These offers can change, and the exact requirements might vary. You can usually find all the details on Westpac's official website or by asking the person who is referring you. Don't just assume, always double-check to avoid disappointment. Once you've met all the criteria, Westpac typically credits the $50 bonus directly into your new account within a few weeks. It's a hassle-free way to get a little extra cash just for choosing them as your bank. So, if you've been considering switching banks, or if you know someone with a Westpac account who can refer you, now might be the perfect time to explore this offer and potentially add an easy $50 to your wallet. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.